Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, we're filming with the Galaxy Ultra 23 in the 16.9 frame Ultra HD, which is 4K, with 60 frames per second with the one-time zoom. You only have a half zoom and one-time zoom for this setting. So I'm going to stand back just a touch and try to keep her framed without being able to see her on the film. Trying to keep something framed in a camera that you can't see. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left. Hobbies, right off the bat, Hobby Zone, I want to thank you for sending me out the Skycruiser, the Aero Skycruiser, for a review. And so far, I'm absolutely loving it. All right, let's do a control surface test real quick. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Take off flaps, landing flaps. Motor is armed. Wind is out of the east. So timer set for 5 minutes. And this runway runs east to west, and we're taking on, well, wind is out of the southeast, and I'm taking off to the east. So I got a little bit of a cross breeze. All right, here we go. Nice scale takeoff. Flying in the vector system, their optimized mode. Which is wind mitigation. Quiet plane. But wind is kind of weird right now. Let's take it up.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Just a good solid plane. Does need a little bit of up elevator. Just a touch. Well, this is quite a change from flying the 90mm FMS Avanti just a moment ago. Quite a change. Don't need flaps when it's this windy. Yeah. Not a very good landing, but not too bad. Take it up. There we go. I get a knife edge out of it. Yeah, there you go. Good flying plane. Good flying plane. Definitely slow enough for the beginner to think about what he's doing, he or she's doing. Forgiving. And very scale looking. So that's just a nice added benefit.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah. Come by, show the belly. See the markings and the lights. Oh, inverted okay. Have to hold a little bit of pressure in. I really do wish though that the vector system was adjustable, but it's not. It's set gains and gives you set travels or set gains when you're in the optimized mode, and then when you're in their stabilized mode, which is
manual safe mode.
All right, that's safe mode right there. Okay, I cannot. That's just right there as far as I can bank the airplane. Okay, tell what we'll do. We'll land in safe even in this wind. Okay. Yeah, I cannot turn the plane very much, but that's okay. Restricting my movement's a good thing right now. Whenever you're a beginner, so I'm just pretending I'm a beginner. Okay. right, let's get turned around because I want to have more runway. All right, we landed in their safe mode. Let's take off. Even with this wind, look at them little flags there. All right, we'll turn around. Okay, we're going to take off in their version of safe or stability mode. No elevator input needed. All right.
Manual mode.
Now we're in manual mode. So I took off in there and stabilized, which is safe, and I landed in safe. Now I'm in manual mode. I've got no wind, gyro working, nothing, just me and the plane, just straight control. And as you can see, the wind is having its way with her. But it's a very light plane.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, we'll go back to
AS3X mode.
all right, AS3X. That does help a little bit. It does even it out. And all AS3X does is make a small, light, little foam plane fly like a larger, heavier plane. Handles the wind a little bit better. But it's very windy right now. I forgot to bring my mic to hook the mic up to the cell phone so I can get that.
30 seconds.
Let me go around again. I don't like my position. I should have brought my little mic because then that has a wind filter on it.
20 seconds.
And I could have better negated some of this wind noise on the audio. So, running a 2700 3S. All right, definitely don't need flaps today. All right.
Braking.
Oh yeah, you get braking with this.
Cruise mode.
We're gonna take off
Timer
again.
expired.
I just want to get one more in. One more. It's an enjoyable plane to fly. I can do better than that. It's the same as the FMS Skytrainer 182. It's the exact same mold, same motor, same, even the same pilot. It's just been rebranded in Arrows. And Arrows and FMS, I believe they're sister companies to each other. So. Whoa. All right. Now I'm letting pride dictate my actions. It's like I know I'm capable of a better landing. Oh yeah, that's a good way to end it right there.
Prop secured.
All right, we were 54 seconds over on a 5 minutes, so almost 6 seconds shy.
Motors armed. Prop secured.
Okay, I must have secured the prop. So almost 4 seconds shy of 6 minutes. Prop is secured. See. All right. 100% throws, 30% expo. Just remember, she is a bottom feeder, so you have to turn her over, just like the Skytrainer 182. Okay, and battery right here. That's where I've got the 2700, kind of push a little bit forward. She has an XT60 connector. Okay. Oh, goodness. Let's take a look and see how much juice. All right. 61%. 39, 39, 39, all the way down. Okay, so I could I could have flown for another 2-3 minutes. So you probably, on a 2700, and by the way, that's a 2700 Hobbystar. This battery is probably 7 years old, and you can see it's really doesn't have any real slight bit of puff to it, but 7 years old. I don't know how many hundreds and hundreds of flights of this has gone in different planes. You get this at Hobbystar. It's RC Juice is the one that sells it, 2700. When they have them on sale, they're about $22, but normally around $29. But I'll be honest, on their website, I haven't been seeing these lately. So, but if they do bring them back, or they do have them, grab them. They are just some of the best 3-cell batteries that you can get. They're long, just keep them discharged. Keep them down below 30% when you're not using them. All right, folks, well, that is the Arrow Skycruiser. One great flying plane, great beginner plane, great. You know, I say the landing gear is a little fragile for a beginner unless you got someone helping you and you're not in any hurry. Okay, I would suggest more of a Tundra plane like the Bigfoot, as you know, or maybe a Timber, an E-flite Timber, as my first planes, because they're a little more robust. And then this would be the great second plane, or an E-flite Valiant would be a great second plane, or the FMS 1500 Cessna would be a great second plane. All right, well, there you go, folks. Thank you for watching. God is great. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And that's the Arrows Skycruiser from Hobby Zone. Thank you, Hobby Zone. Bye-bye.